Hey, hi everyone, how are you? I'm starting a new series to teach you about JavaScript, and this series is going to teach you JavaScript from beginners to advanced. And after completing the series, you will be a master in JavaScript, and JavaScript is used for web development. JavaScript is also compatible with all operating systems. So if you are using Linux, Windows, or any other operating system, the tutorial will be same for everyone. Let's see why should you learn JavaScript. So it is the most popular programming language for web development. So if you are working on web development, almost all the websites today uses JavaScript somewhere. So it will be very beneficial for you. And as I have already told you that this works on all the operating systems. So if you are using Windows, Mac or Linux, it will work same for you. It can power your interactive website. So if you have a website, it can power your website to be more interactive, even your web applications, or even if you are creating a backend server or backend application, JavaScript can help you to power your website. It is used by companies like Google, Facebook, and Netflix, and even all the website I can say today does have JavaScript somewhere. And what are you going to learn? You will be learning about the basics like variables, data types, functions, loops. We are going to see DOM manipulation. DOM means document object model, and this can make your websites interactive. We will see the ES6 features, which is like a modern JavaScript tools like let, const, arrow functions, promises, and then we will move to the advanced topics like APIs and async and await. We are not limited to these things only. We will learn everything about JavaScript. So this is just a like a teaser or a trailer. We are going to learn everything about JavaScript. And for this video, let's see how we can run a simple JavaScript code in our website. So let's go to a code editor. So I have a code editor, VS Code, but you can choose any code editor of your choice. I prefer VS Code, and I will highly recommend you to use VS Code as well, because this is a very good code editor for all kind of project development. So let's create a in HTML file. So I will create a HTML file in this JavaScript beginners folder. You can create it anywhere you want. Let's name the file as index.html. Now in this index.html, let's write a basic HTML code. So let's start it. So colon doc type. This is how we start a HTML code. We specify the tag in which we specify the doc type as HTML. Then write a tag HTML, and inside this HTML tag, let's write two things: head and body. And inside body, we can write our JavaScript code. So inside body, to write your JavaScript code, we need to have a tag which is called script. In this script tag, anything you write will be treated as a JavaScript code. So let's write a simple message. Let's log a simple message. So for logging a simple message, you have to write console.log. And inside this console.log, you have to call it as a function. And inside this, you have to pass your string data. Inside the string data, you can pass your message like hello world. Okay, so let's write hello world. And in JavaScript, you don't need to end your line with a colon, but it is highly recommended to end it like this, because that's a good practice. Save this, and let's copy the path of this file and open this file, open this HTML file in a browser. So let's go back to a browser. Let's open a new tag and paste this path. Once you hit enter, you will see this blank screen. Now what you have to do is you have to right click on the screen and click on inspect. This is a browser which has opened the HTML code, and when you open the inspect, you will find this console option. Now, let me zoom a bit. So in the console, when you go, you will find this message hello world, and this message is coming from the console.log function. This is just a basic thing in JavaScript which you can do. You can log a console message, and also this message will tell you that which line of code has been executed to give this output. So you can see in the right hand side, index.html is the file and line number 7. So if I go to index.html line number 7, So this is the code which got executed, and due to this code we are getting this output. You can also log an error as well. So if you want to log some kind of error, you can say console.error, and inside this you can pass your error message. So let's pass it like this is an error message. Save the code and refresh the file. Once you refresh this particular file in the browser, you will find two messages, hello world, and then this is an error message. And notice that this is an error message. For this message, it is saying cross, which is indicating an error. So you can expand this to see which line of code gave this error. So it is index.html line number 8. So go to index.html, and when you see line number 8, you will find that okay, this line of code is printing this error. And this is how JavaScript works. It works on a web page, and it can manipulate your web page to be more interactive, to log some messages. So in future videos we are going to see a lot of things about JavaScript, and this is a latest course, so make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you get regular updates on whatever videos I will be posting on JavaScript, as well as I post videos on other technologies as well, like Python, like APIs. So make sure you subscribe it to stay updated with those videos, and I will see you in the next video.